The first primitive laser was built by Archimedes during the Second Punic War in 212 BC. The device made of giant round mirror flanked by a smaller mirror and concentrate solar rays at one point on wooden sheet, which generate enough heat to kindle flame and burn the Roman fleet. That same principle is used by current CSP technology, where a solar field of large mirror concentrated the sun energy onto a receiver that traps the heat and store it in the thermal energy storage still needed to create the steam to drive a turbine to produce electricity or use in an industrial application. The thermal energy storage is integral part of the CSP technology because it enables to generate electricity at night and during cloudy periods from this heat-based form of solar. So it is flexible and dispatchable form of solar energy. In current commercial project, liquid molten salt store the heat at up to 600 degrees Celsius. But the new thermal energy storage material are being investigated by scientists. There are mainly 4 CSP technology. The earliest one in use was the parabolic dish trough, and predominant technology now is in tower system. Let's check out one by one this technology. Power tower or central receiver system utilize sun tracking mirror called heliostat to focus sunlight onto a receiver at the top of the tower. A heat transfer fluid heated in the receiver up to around 600 degrees Celsius is used to generate steam, which is used in the conventional turbine generator to produce electricity. With the use of solid ceramic particle, this temperature can reach around 1000 degrees Celsius. In USA, National Renewable Energy Laboratory maintains the global tower deployment database. In parabolic trough CSP system, the sun energy is concentrated by parabolically curved trough-shaped reflector on the receiver pipe, which are the heat absorber tube mounted about a meter above the curved surface of the mirror. The temperature of the heat transfer fluid flowing through the pipe, which is usually thermal oil or molten salt, is increased from 293 degrees Celsius to 393 degrees Celsius, and the heat energy is then used in the thermal power block to generate electricity in conventional steam generator. A trough solar collector field compromise multiple parabolic trough-shaped mirror in parallel row aligned to enable this single-axis trough-shaped mirror to track the sun from east to west during the day to ensure that sun is continuously focused on the receiver pipes. Third system is the linear Fennel system. Similar to a long arrays of the parabolic trough CSP system, a linear concentrated collector field consists of large number of collectors in the parallel rows. These are typically aligned in north-south orientation to maximize the annual and summer energy collection. The mirrors are laid flat on the ground and reflect the sunlight to the pipe above. Like trough and the tower, Fennel can also incorporate storage in power block or generate steam from direct use. Fourth and the final one is the parabolic dish system. Parabolic dish system consists of the parabolic shaped point focus concentrator in the form of the dish that reflects the solar radiation onto a receiver mounted at the focal point. These concentrators are mounted on the structure with 2-axis tracking system to follow the sun. The collected heat is typically utilized directly by heat engine mounted on the receiver moving with the dish structure. This can attain extremely high temperature and hold promise for use in the solar reactor for making solar fuels, which required very high temperature. Stirling and the Brayton cycle engines are currently favored for the power conservation in the parabolic dish system. As we are advancing the CSP technology in last decade very well, but still we not reach at the level where we can harness all the solar energy. Currently we harnessing around 20% solar energy, and the main limitation is the working fluid and storage system and the cost. At the beginning, scientists used the molten salt. Now they are using different materials like air, water and solid ceramic particle, and as we advance in the CSP technology, it will reduce our dependency on the fossil fuel in future. And that's all for today. I hope you found video informative. If so, please do subscribe the channel and see you in next video. Till then, keep learning and keep exploring.